Hi there guys. So today's work is mainly just going to be on graphing these uh, equations. Ultimately, this is actually pretty straightforward, so long as we just take it step by step. The basic idea here is, what do you need in order to draw a simple line? Well, you need 2 points on that line, right? If I've got 2 points here, I know I can just draw a line like that, okay? Simple as. So, what 2 points would we try to find? Well, I generally find the easiest ones to do is when x is 0 and when y is 0. So when it crosses the x-axis, when it crosses the y-axis and when it crosses the x-axis, okay? So I'll just show you one and you guys should just follow along, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at when x is equal to 0, what is y equal to? Well, we'll see that 0 minus y minus 1 equals 0. So minus y equals 1, because we're adding 1 to both sides of our equation. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to multiply both sides of the equation by minus 1, so we can get a value for y. Okay, so we're just solving this equation. We're finding what y is when x is equal to 0, and yeah, y is equal to minus 1. So from there, we're just going to go, okay, the coordinate 0, because we started off with x equaling 0, minus 1. That's one of the points along this line. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's look at when y is equal to 0. Okay, then we're going to go, okay, x minus 0 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. Very, very simple, straightforward solving equations. Okay, so we've got 2 points. We've got 0 minus 1, and we've got 1, 0. Okay, so let's write those onto this coordinate plane. Okay, so we're going to go down 1. Okay, great. We've got 0 minus 1 here, and then 1, 0 here. And as we know, x coordinate is left to right, y coordinate is up and down. And from there, we've got 2 points. So all we're going to do is we're just going to draw a line that passes through it. There we go. We've got a line. We have been able to successfully graph this line here. Okay, let's have a look at a slightly more difficult one, and then I'll give you one or two of these to try yourselves. Okay, so we're looking at x, 2y plus 4. Great. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to go again, and we're going to go grand when x equals 0. What does y equal? Well, we'll go 0 plus 2y plus 4 equals 0. So 2y plus 4 equals 0. We'll take away 4 from both sides of our equation. We'll get 2y equals minus 4. Now we want to get just y by itself, so we're going to divide both sides of our equation by 2. And we will get y equals, and what's minus 4 divided by 2? Well, it's minus 2. So we've got our first coordinate, 0, minus 2. So I'm just going to mark that off on our grid there. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to look at when y equals 0. And we're going to get x plus 2y plus 4 equals 0. And we're going to get x plus 0 plus 4 equals 0. So we've got x plus 4 equals 0. Now what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 4 from both sides of our equation. I'm going to get x equals minus 4. Okay? So now we've got minus 4, and we start off with y equaling 0 for this, so 0. Okay? Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark that along our coordinate plane. And I'm going to redraw that line. This is a little bit difficult on a screen to do. There we go. Obviously, in a perfect situation, what I prefer you guys to be doing is using your ruler. Actually, you know what? I'll use the ruler here just to show. Okay, so I'll bring this over here. And there we go. There we go. So we've got a simple line going through those 2 points. That's all you guys need to be able to do. Thank you very much, guys. Give a try at the questions I've posed for you, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.